Hey, I wanted to talk briefly about the opportunity that this quarantine has presented everyone. So for a lot of you, it's been a while since you've had like roots redone or color touched up or, your balayage brought up or highlights redone. And it gives you an opportunity to think about your lifestyle and the maintenance of your color and what's going to be best for you. So for me, having just my roots colored is easily especially this rainbow color is easily one of the hardest colors to maintain. But I'm in a salon every single day. A lot of the time I will bleach my own roots and it goes great because I know what I'm doing. But for a lot of people, you can't be in the salon every 6 weeks to have this redone, and it takes a long time to do. But I know a lot of stylists. I can buy the color myself. I just know that I can keep up with this if I want to. And I also know enough to do a color that I can change if I decide to do something else in the future. Like, I know this red is gonna take a hot minute to come out, so if I decide I need to change it, my first goal is gonna be to get somewhere where I can mix this red and this purple, which are gonna be two of the harder colors to get out. The blue also is gonna be not super fun. But my point is, I know what my maintenance is gonna be. For a lot of people, you see people like walking around with extensions that are halfway down their back, which is fine, but that's not a style that they can maintain. That's not their lifestyle. Just doesn't. They're not someone who goes to the salon every 6 weeks to get their tapes moved up. You know what I mean? So while you are making appointments to go back into the salon, take a second just to think about, okay, how long do I want to be able to wait between my appointments? Do I need to be there like every 6 weeks to get these highlights redone because I hate these grays or my hair's too dark? Or are you thinking, yeah, maybe I could like let this grow out a little bit, turn it into like something that has less maintenance where I can come in every couple months, and maybe you could do like a balayage which still has some lightness but it's blended better, so when your roots grow out you don't notice it as much? Or do you like the fashion colors and you want to come in as soon as they're faded to get them redone? Like, it really just depends on what you can manage. If you pull your hair up in a ponytail constantly, maybe let your hair grow out now that it's past that awkward stage where you couldn't get it past before, but now it's been a couple weeks that you haven't been able to get it cut and it's past that stage. Maybe you let it grow out. Really just think about what you want your maintenance to be moving forward, because this is one of the only times where A, no one's judging you for not having your hair done because no one else does, and B, you have had the patience to let it get to the point where it's at, as in having bad roots or whatever, because you're not going outside, you're not doing anything, you're not working, or you're working over the phone where no one can even see you when you're in your sweats all day. But just maybe take a minute before you start your appointment to talk with your stylist about your level of maintenance. So yeah, just if you've been, I've had like a hump getting over this awkward stage to get my hair to grow out, but now it's finally starting to get there because I've been lazy about it. And I passed the awkward stage. I'm ready to grow out because I don't like having it cut all the time. Yeah, that's just my 2 cents. Thanks.